guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daljeet here. Today I have just created this makeup look. This is little advanced makeup look because I have played with lot of colors on my eyes. So I have just created a quick face makeup tutorial, a full makeup tutorial without skipping any part in this. And I've just created this whole different with a very bright and bold colors makeup look. This I have just created to help you so you can do your own makeup if you are planning for some wedding or maybe for some mehndi function for the wedding. So you can just play with the color and you can just create this look. And if you like this look, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you want to see more videos from. So much for watching my video.
So let's begin. First with the primer on the face. I have just washed and nicely cleaned my face. Now I'm using a Marc Jacobs primer. Now I'm using a moisturizer to moisturize and hydrate my skin nicely, and just blend it nicely on your skin. Now I'm on the part for a foundation on my skin. I'm using a Too Faced foundation and it's very nice for dry skin. I have a lot of dry skin and it's very hydrating. You can blend with beauty blender or you can use any flat foundation brush or a buffing brush. Here I'm using a Tarte concealer. It's my favorite because it has a very nice formula, thick formula. So I have just tried to put it all over my dark areas on my face to conceal my dark circles under my eyes. And now I'm putting up this Fenty Beauty. This is her very nice contour stick, and it's very nice to travel also. When you want to travel and you want to take it with your vanity, and it's very easy to use. So you just apply it all over your face like this, the way I'm doing it. Now I'm using a Huda Beauty. This is her third date lipstick, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks as a blush, as a cream blush. It's a very nice natural shade of blush. And now with the help of blending brush, I'm just blending all the contour lines. Just mind it, your any contour line needs to be blend on your face very nicely and softly. There should not be any harsh. You can take a help of beauty blender also to blend it nicely. Just blend it, and blending is actually very big key for a good makeup. Now I'm using a Huda Beauty Pound Cake setting powder. Setting powder helps our makeup to get it set on our face very nicely. So it doesn't give very cakey effect if you use it properly. So with the help of the beauty blender, it's a dry sponge, so I'm using it to put it setting powder under my eye area. Because we are doing an advanced makeup, so I'm just gonna place this setting powder on my nose, around my nose, and over my this near to my chin bone for contour lines, just to separate the contour and my below chin cheek area. It really helps actually to settle down your makeup on your face. Now here I'm using a Benefit Brow Pencil to shape my eyebrows. First I'm gonna give the nice shape and then I'm gonna refill my eyebrows. So face makeup is done here. Let's start with the eye makeup. Here I'm using another Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina small eye palette. It's beautiful eye palette with the different pink and purple shades. So I'm using the lighter one on my crease. Just blend it in the motion like a windshield motion, front and back, and then just nicely blend it all over your eyes. Just keep in mind, just leave the front area on your inner corner of your eyes. And you see how nicely with a soft hand, with a very fluffy blending brush, I'm just trying to blend the my base shade onto my eye area. Now I'm taking a darker shade. It's a like purple, dark purple shade. I'm just putting it with the small tapered brush and just on the outer corners of my eye. Just keep in mind, just put it on, on the very edge of your eye. Don't try to bring it in the center or the inner corners, and just blend it with the soft hands. We'll do the same with the other eye. Nicely just blend it and put it on the outer corners only. So here you are, started in the transition shade for your eyeshadow, like from a lighter shade towards the darker shade. So now I'm using a same second step with a purple shadow from the same palette, and we are gonna do on the both of our eyes. Just on the outer corners we are gonna give this purple color blending. So beautifully you are creating different shades of same family on your outer eye area. And now I'm using a concealer. Is my again favorite Tarte concealer. I've just taken it out, and now with the help of any brush which is flat or either a concealer brush, you're gonna take it and just nicely apply on your eye. Just you're applying an eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner. Just treat it as a liquid liner and just apply it on your both eyes. Now I'm using a very small brush just for for precise application of any color. So I'm taking from another ABH Norvina palette a green shade to give that pop color on my eyes. So during I have just seen this is general practice, like a lot of greens, yellow and pinks and purple shades generally people use to create a pop colors on your eyes. So for bright and bold makeup, so I'm using here this green color, and I love this shade of green. It gives very a fresh eye makeup on your eyes. And just nicely with a soft hand place the eyeshadow on your concealer. And we'll do the same on the other eye. I think it's look beautiful to me. What you say? How does it look? So now I have taken a very small brush for below eye makeup, and I'm just applying another pink shade, that the same dark pink shade from the same palette below eye, and I'm just gonna blend it nicely with the help of the brush. Now I'm using a kajal. It's from Makeup Forever for my waterline on both eyes. I love using glitters for eye makeup, so here I'm using this Urban Decay glitter. It's very beautiful silver shade glitter like diamond. So I'm just gonna apply it above my eyes. So here I'm using this eyelash curl to curl my lashes, and I'm using my favorite mascara from Smashbox. It gives very nice long eyelash effect on my eyes. Now after completing eye makeup, here I am removing with the help of powder brush the setting powder which we left it under our eye area, and nicely blending all the setting powder on my face. And here I'm using my favorite highlighter, is from the Balm. You can place your highlighter wherever you like to highlight your face. Like generally we apply it on cheekbone and on the tip of nose, on cupid bow, in the center of your chin. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please do subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. Now I'm using a blush over here. This is my favorite blush from NARS, and it's very natural pink shade. So I'm applying it above my contour lines. It's the final touch up for a face makeup.
Today I have just created this makeup look. This is little advanced makeup look because I have played with lot of colors on my eyes. So I have just created a quick face makeup tutorial, a full makeup tutorial without skipping any part in this. And I've just created this whole different with a very bright and bold colors makeup look. This I have just created to help you so you can do your own makeup. And if you like this look, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you want to see more videos from me. And thank you so much for watching my video.